Hey everyone and welcome back. My name is Bubsbee. So glad you stopped on this video, and today is going to be a detangling video. Yeah, we're gonna be combing some hair, detangling. This is my daughter Princess, my oldest daughter, and she was in need. I had to bring out the scissors, yes. She was in need of a detangling session, so I'm just gonna show you guys what I like to do. Quick and easy, simple steps. Super straightforward. So let's get into it. I do want to mention that this video is being sponsored by Treluxe. Thank you guys so much. And we're going to get started into this. So I am starting off freshly cleansed hair. Yes, lately I've been cleansing the hair before detangling because I find that it just gets the buildup off first before actually going in with my conditioner. And I'm using the Untie, the Not Leave-In conditioner. I talk about this so much because it's so versatile. I use it so often. I could run through 2 bottles in about a month. Yes, like 2 full bottles because I use it on my whole family. It's super natural. It's not harsh or harmful to their hair or their scalp, and this gives super ultra moisture and hydration. What I love about this nourishing leave-in conditioner is that it has so many benefits. Like I said, it can detangle, replenish moisture, nourish the hair. It leaves the hair very soft and polished, and then your hair is ready to be managed or styled. So I love to use this as a detangler because the tangles just melt away. Now I do apply a generous amount all over, and now I'm starting to try to get a section, and I can't even create one because her hair is very tangled. Her hair has been out for a couple of weeks, which is not normal for me, but they just love their hair being out, so I give her a break sometimes. And I was busy and I didn't have any time to actually detangle her hair, so it is time now, and you're gonna see this conditioner work really hard because come on, the tangles are there, and it actually doesn't work that hard. That's how good the conditioner is. So once I have my section, I feel like I have a manageable section to start off to detangle. I will just go in with my fingers first and try to break away those knots and tangles at her ends. She does have a ton of shed hair sitting at the ends of her hair. They're just sitting there, so I need to get those out first before I actually try to run a comb through the full length of her hair. So I'm slowly taking my time to work any extra tangles and any shed hair downward, and if I find that I can't get through this section, I will just snip it with some scissors. Just save some time and save a headache. All right, don't just try to pull each and every hair. If you can, then do so, but I'm telling you, her hair is so tangled that I cannot get that out with my fingers without ripping her hair, and I don't want to do that. Ripping the ends of your hair can actually cause split ends, so that's what I want to prevent. So I just go in with the scissors if need be. So I'm just doing that all over on this section, trying to get the shed hair out first before actually going in with the detangling tool. Okay, so now I can kind of gradually run my fingers through almost the full section because I'm getting that shed hair out off the hair at the ends, and her hair is slowly becoming a lot more manageable. I will need to break down the section because the smaller the section, the easier it will be for you to detangle your hair. You can do a wide or big section if you want, but if you want to cause less pulling and less tugging, just use a smaller section. You guys know when you use the detangling tool, start from your ends and work your way up. You don't have to force the comb through there. If you find that you're getting a lot of tugging, just go back in with your fingers to get any tangles out before running that detangling comb through the section. So I'm just going to keep repeating these same steps. Like I said, pretty simple and straightforward step. I add my leave-in conditioner, spray the hair with some water. I will get a manageable section. I will try to get the shed hair out the ends of her hair. I will try to work any shed hair off the ends of her hair first, and then I will try to finger comb the full section. Once I feel like my fingers can go through that full section easily, I will go in with a detangling tool or even a detangling comb. So you can just stick around and watch me do it. So I've reached the last section. I'm just twisting it up just to ensure her hair doesn't retangle up. And this is the perfect starting point to a hairstyle. Okay, I could have rinsed this conditioner out if I felt like it, because I can use that Untie the Not Leave-In conditioner as a rinse out, but because this thing's so juicy, I'm gonna leave it in. It's just gonna add more moisture and nourishment to her hair. And then if you want to see the styling, because it's always a 1 to 2 part video, you already know that. Stay tuned to see the hairstyle. Thank you all so much for watching the video. Thank you Treluxe for sponsoring this video. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you all in the next one.